Some birds fly, some sing, and some feel like nature made a mistake. This bird doesn't raise its own babies, it sneaks its eggs into another bird's nest, and when the cuckoo chick hatches, it pushes the other eggs out, killing them before they are even born. This bird looks normal until you see its feet. Its toes are so long it can walk on floating plants like it's walking on water. This bird can sew. It pierces leaves, then stitches them together to build its nest. Nature literally created a bird that understands stitching. This bird looks almost blind. It lives deep inside caves and navigates using sound like a bat, but somehow it's a bird. This bird moves its wings over 100 times per second, not to fly faster, to make sound. Its feathers vibrate so fast they work like instruments. Then there's this monster. The happy eagle has claws as large as grizzly bears. Its grip is so strong it can crush bone, and when it stares at you, it barely looks real. This bird traps its mate inside a tree. The female seals herself in, leaving only a tiny hole. Then the male feeds her through the opening for weeks. And then there's this thing, a bird with spikes on its wings, a face that looks prehistoric, and a scream loud enough to sound almost human. Birds aren't just animals. Some of them feel like creatures from another planet, and somehow they are all real.